1. What are the purposes of RA 7836?
The purpose of RA 7836 is to strengthen the regulation and supervision of the practice of teaching in the Philippines and for prescribing a licensure examination for teachers and for other purposes.
2. What is the term used for RA 7836?
The term used for RA 7836 is the Philippine Teachers Professionalization Act of 1994.
3. What are the two objectives of RA 7836 as stated in Article 1, Section 3?
The promotion, development, and professionalization of teachers and the teaching profession, and to the supervision and regulation of the licensure examination.
4. What is the primary concern of teaching as defined in the definition of terms?
Profession concerned primarily with classroom instruction at the elementary and secondary levels in accordance with the curriculums prescribed by the Department of Education, Culture, and Sport.
5. Who are considered as teachers under RA 7836?
Teachers refers to all person engaged in teaching.
6. Are college instructors considered as teachers under RA 7836? Why?
Yes, teachers refers to all persons engaged in teaching as teachers. That refers to all persons engaged in. They have almost the same definition of the elementary and secondary levels, whether on a teaching at the elementary and secondary levels of a teacher.
7. Give at least 5 duties and/or functions of the board.
The 5 duties and/or functions of the board: first is to promulgate, administer, and enforce rules and regulations. Second, the issue, suspend, or revoke. Third is to prescribe and collect. Fourth is to prescribe or adopt. And the fifth is to administer.
8. All applicants for registration as professional teachers shall be required of what type of exam?
All applicants for registration as professional teachers shall be required of this type of exam. It can be undergo first at a written examination, a certificate of registration, and a valid professional license.
9. Under the scope of examination, why it is necessary to separate the examinations for the elementary and secondary school teachers.
The examination for the elementary and secondary school teachers shall be separated because the elementary level shall consist of 2 parts, namely professional education and general education, while the secondary level shall consist of 3 parts, which is the professional education, general education, and field of specialization.
10. Provide at least 5 offenses committed by a licensed teacher to be exempted from the registration under Section 23.
The 5 offenses committed by a licensed teacher to be exempted from the registration under Section 23 is the conviction for any criminal offense by a court of competent jurisdiction and to the declaration by a court of competent jurisdiction for being unsound or insane. Malpractice, gross incompetence, gross negligence, or serious ignorance of the practice of the teaching profession, and injustice of willful failure.
That's all. Thank you, ma'am, and God bless.